On the 12th of August 2024, members of the Hynniewtrep Youth Council and the Hynniewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization of South West Khasi Hills district visited the border areas to check for any illegal entry by Bangladeshis amid ongoing clashes in Bangladesh over the past 2 months. An HYC member reported to journalists that no illegal entry by Bangladeshi citizens has been detected so far. He stated that traditional leaders and villagers in South West Khasi Hills border areas are collaborating with the Border Security Force and local police to prevent any incursions by Bangladeshi nationals into Indian territory. The HYC member urged upon the state government authorities to prioritize the safety and security of local communities by enhancing border vigilance. Additionally, the HYC South West Khasi Hills warned that if villagers report any forced entry from the Bangladeshi side, the organization might take alternative measures to protect the indigenous community.
Kini ki jinglong zaman ne po berdar nilai om keren rubber BSF ka bagi ka kubar ka mangyo aniki kalong bahaduk mentah kimpat senal ladon ka bakum kata ka ba ong bakin ladon kita kibri ke banas bar ke banwan kentur sudah ukut sam jongka ribi jumi tah nakaleng jongka sinong ka thawru hangni apa ka bordar kila ai ka jing trilang bar BSF ya ka ba kila ai ru ka jing trilang bar ke bor kulit bahani apa kabarar panang ni sakmar jensa nang ile ya kata kabantah ya kaban namta kajing bahajing miat banang ta kajing long jing skan jongki sinong ki thawang ne po khawput te kumbang yong ba nakleng jungi ni dokumen sim kajing Swkh ni ka kubar sa ka sarkar kolong ba nang ni sakmat ni nang yai dawa ba ni nang yai tentu ba kanong ka ba pikir namta kajing long jingman namta ka singan jongki nongsong senong ane po khaput bordar balkloy ya kaban ai ti kamon ti kadang nam tek para senong para thau pan nak taki nongelam senong nongelang thau hakini ki khaput bordar te kawai ka khubar kawang pap nong sa ki tu ki parjala ki pari kantam ki bana Bangladesh kolong ba hoy nilawan hakani khubar ntar ka jing Swkh kamen sim bat ladang yo kanu khubar kabam semua tenat nak nongsong senong nongsong thau kiba hani apa khaput berdar nilong ki balak loy ban wan biang sai sien pat ban ai ti kamon ti kadang nam ta ki bat ngatrai kata kejingon kabar sin ngatrai rang yo kan bor kabum semua tenat ni namuan su hak bum kaneka kumbang iwan hakane por mta.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.